Dr. Joseph. I am the founder and president of Hope for Today Outreach. Today I would like to share 10 positive attitudes or traits that Haitians in the diaspora need to cultivate to contribute to positive change and human flourishing in Haiti. Number one, commit yourself to a cause in Haiti, such as in the area of education, healthcare, community development, children's rights, women's rights, sanitary water projects or business, and maintain consistency to carry out that cause. Number two, because commitment is linked or associated with service, responsibility, and sacrifice, you need to keep your promise to that cause. You would need to invest your time and resources, which may include your knowledge, your money, your goods, to bring that dream or that objective of yours to success. Number three, find a location, a place or a zone in Haiti to contribute to that change. It could be a neighborhood in a rural area or a metropolitan area in the country. Here, what I have in mind here could be in Port-de-Paix, Port-de-Paix, Cayes, Jeremie, St. Louis, Gonave. Number four, do not focus on negativities about Haiti or stereotypes about the Haitian people. Rather, focus on that vision of yours and make it happen. Make it a reality. Number five, be genuine to the people you are serving, the people you are empowering in Haiti. Be truthful about your service and your dedication to that cause. Number six, love the Haitian people you are aiding and do not dehumanize or humiliate them. Not only you are committing yourself to a cause, you are dedicating yourself to helping the Haitian people grow, flourish, and become independent. Number seven, remember that people are not objects. People are not things, but they are subjects of your affections, subjects of your zeal, subjects of your commitment and dedication. Number eight, do not wait on strangers or another country to make a difference in Haiti and transform Haiti's civil and political societies. Be that difference and be that change you envision for your country. Be the hope you want to be for the Haitian people. Number nine, get rid of that victim mentality and stop blaming individuals, countries, or entities or institutions for Haiti's roles or the plot of the Haitian people. Rather, take up your cross by assuming your own responsibility so you can contribute to meaningful and transformative changes in the Haitian society. Number 10, remember that committing yourself to a cause in Haiti is not an individual project. Rather, it's a teamwork. It's a collaborative endeavor. Find yourself some good people to work with. Find yourself a team. Find yourself a credible organization to partner with, so you will be able to bring that cause, that dream of yours to success. Again, this is Dr. Lou from Hope for Today Outreach.